Sorry, trade. Howdy, traders. Good morning, and welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. My name is Gary Fickard, known to many as the FxBigDog, and we're going to go ahead and get the show on the road. All we're going to do is look for 20 pips in the market. That's what we do in this session. And so, welcome to the show. We'll go ahead and get started right after this. Hi, traders, and a little rusty start, but welcome to the show. My name is Gary Fickard, and yes, we're looking for 20 pips out of the market, and that's really pretty much all what we do. We look for support and resistance, we bounce off those levels, and then we look for 20 pips, and we're talking about net 20 pips. And so we do use a cost averaging trading approach where we enter in multiple entries, all right? And then once the market goes ahead and captures a max of 20 pips, we cash out, we get the heck out of Dodge. Now, just so that you know, all the trades that we have placed so far this week has actually gone ahead and closed out in profit last night. So every single trade, I'm talking about trades that we've done in this show, trades I've done in other YouTube channels. I also broadcast on other YouTube channels as well. I also broadcast in the Mind Over Matters event that we place trades in that event as well. So every time I've gone ahead and placed trades, we have profit 20 pips out of that market. That means that for in fact, just for over 12 months right now, 12 and a half months, we've gone ahead and traded this strategy and actually showed 100% success rate. That's right. There's not many traders that can tell you that they've had 100% success rate over the last year and a half a month. All right, so 12 and a half months. Now, this is the deal. Let's take a look and see exactly how well we are doing based on the trade copy that's following the same strategy, except so much more trades. So if you're interested, I'm going to go ahead and give you some details about how to be able to get the trade copier. But let's go ahead and take a look and see how the results are so far this month. So let's go into this right here, and there you can see, here we have plenty of profits being generated, 177% for the last 12 and a half months. In fact, if you take a look right here, we're up 12%. We're up 9% so far this month. Here you can see right here, this month we're up 9%. And then, of course, this is how we performed over the last 12 months in 2021. So very, very good, very good success rate. Our strike rate right now is at about 69%. So we're winning 69% of the trades, which means, traders, that we do trade a cost averaging. All right, and with us trading a cost averaging trading approach, there will be trades that we will lose. But remember, we're talking about a net positive. So we always end up closing out with positive pips at the end of the trade. All right, so if you enter multiple positions, once we're up in 20 pip net profits, we close out all those positions. So there are going to be some that are going to be closing out with negative, but others are going to be overriding that negative and giving us a net positive. All right, now, traders, with that being said, let's go take a look and see what's going on this morning and see if we have got any new trade opportunities. And by the way, here is the count. This is the count that I'm using inside this live session. All right. And so if you look over here, it is a real account. This isn't play money. This is the real McCoy, right? So it's real money. I am flat on all my positions right here. As you can see right here, flat on all my positions. And I am using what we call the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. If you want to know a little more about that, check out our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. I'll go ahead and get that website posted in just a minute. In fact, let's go ahead and get that posted right here. Traders Network Club. In fact, if you want to send an email to us, you can go ahead and send it to info@TradersNetworkClub.com if you're interested in the trade copier. Also, if you want to go ahead and do this, check out the description below. There's details about a trade copier, the results. You can track it. There's also details of exactly what we use, the tools we use inside this session, which means the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, the trade copier, the social media connections. All of that good stuff is available inside the description below. So make sure you guys get connected and join the Traders Network Club. Love to see everyone there. And don't forget that we do have Cameron coming on this afternoon. Well, actually, this morning, Cameron will be coming on to the old season and talk about the old season and giving you some details about the old season. And basically, that is cryptos. Talking about cryptos. In fact, over the last couple of weeks, he's been talking about some cryptos that actually have done pretty solid, even though the markets have been pretty flat. The ones that have chosen have given that 20, 30, 40, 50% returns on the ones that he's actually spoken about. So check it out. Pretty interesting if you're into cryptos. Now, good morning, everyone. We got a bunch of traders right here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. We got David in the house. Good morning, David. Always nice to see you. You're always here. Cheryl's also here a lot, the lady in the house. We got Ollie out there. Fantastic, Ollie. Good day to you. Robert, nice to see you too. Yun, and then we've got Yun, good morning. And then we have Kerry. Kerry, good morning to you as well. And we've got a bunch of other traders right here as well inside the room. Welcome to everyone and welcome to the show. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look and see exactly what it is that we have available today. Again, looking for support and resistance. We're not going to force anything on, but we look for support and resistance and get in on that trade. Now, I know that the trade Copier itself is locked and loaded with the US dollar CAD. So we'll take a look at the US dollar CAD first and break this one down right here and see what's going on with the US dollar CAD. And so US dollar CAD right here, if you look over here, US dollar CAD at the moment right now is really range bound. All right. We're not seeing anything breaking through at the moment, but we are range bound. Let me just get this set up right here. We are range bound, and you can see that we are range bound between this support right here and this resistance up here at the top. So there is room for price to work its way back up to this level right here, and it's still giving us an opportunity of about 90 pips. So we could probably grab easy 20 pips out of the market right here. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. I'm noticing right here we have a wave 1, 2, 3, and then we have another 1, 2. Let's see here. Oh, we've got multiple inside swings here. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. So at some point, we're expecting the market to stall here at the 127. Right about here. I'm going to go mark that off. Right about there. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look here. So we've got this larger swing. 1, 2, 3. We're in this fourth wave. We're probably looking for price to move further down south. So overall, long term, we're probably expecting US dollar CAD to sell off to go further down south. But there is this correction, and actually quite a deep correction expected on this as well. Look at this crown pattern right here. Here's the left tip. Price took out that low. We really never had the market pull back. We saw maybe a head and shoulders pattern right here. But we're also expecting possibly a crown pattern. So yeah, deep correction move is expected on the setup right here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to go long because we are at this support level right here. In fact, check this out right here. We're at this support level right about there. See that low? See how the market's holding up at this level there? Then we had this little wick. Market rallied. Now it's dipped back down to come retest it right here. So there is definitely some good solid support right here. Now if it drops back down south to about this level right here, we'll probably re-enter again. So if it drops there, we'll re-enter. We're looking for that 20 pip grab. So let's take a look over here. As I go into my trading account right here, I'm going to go ahead and buy long on US dollar CAD. And there it is. I'm good. Now, just a reminder for those traders that did not know this, that all these trades that we do place, there is a Telegram channel in the description. So once again, check out the description below. There's a Telegram channel that you can actually go ahead and connect to that'll show you all the trades we actually place. So you can see us entering, exit, add on new positions, direction, trade, the price that we're getting in at. You'll get all of that information inside the description below when you connect to the Telegram channel. Now, while you're down there, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Firstly, number one. Number two, the next thing you need to go ahead and do, you know it, go ahead and smash the like button as well. Smash the like button on this video. Make sure that you go ahead and smash it. And do me a favor as well. Take the time to go ahead and comment on the video. Now, I'm not talking about in this live session. I'm talking about go into the actual video, go into the comment area, and go ahead and put some comments there. I would like to know how you are doing. How are you enjoying these sessions? All right. Give me some feedback. Post inside the comment of the video how you enjoy the sessions, but also more importantly, how well are you doing? Are you making profit from these trades that we're doing? Because I don't want to be the only one making profit. I mean, it's great, fantastic. I can sit here and boast all day long, but it's not about me. It's about whether it's helping. And I want to know from you whether these trades that we're placing here in the session are indeed helping you to profit in the market. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what the next trade opportunity is. Yes. Oh, that'll be in the old season. Yeah, you definitely join the old season, and Cameron will talk about that in the old season. Hey, Adam. Good morning to you, buddy. Good morning, and Larry's in the house. Good morning, Larry. All right, let's take a look here. Now, there's a question here, and I think this is a great question. Do the live trades go out on the trade copier too? No, there's two different ways that I trade, right? The trade copier, I do apply different rule sets in the trade copier. That's why you get so many more trades. So the trade copier, obviously, if you want a lot more trades and have it automated, the trade copy is the answer. Now, these trades that are placed here in this live session, this is going to be a manual. I do this manually using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. And I do that for one reason, so that I can show you how I use the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. So if you go ahead and connect with the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, if you subscribe to the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, which is our starter membership, then you'll know exactly how to use this tool in this session, and if any other, if you ever want to go ahead and use it on any other trade as well. Also, when you subscribe to this Pip Grabber Trading session, you will get signals of my trade copier. So it's another way to be able to say, hey, I want to trade this manually. Get the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, and you will get the trade signals as well included as a bonus, so you can follow all the trades that we place inside the trade copier as well as in this live session. All right, I want to go ahead and make sure that you understand that. Good morning, Denise. Good morning. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on right here. And let's see. So we've gone in on the US dollar, in the US dollar CAD. Let's go take a look at this setup right here on the Euro US dollar. Interesting. Euro US dollar. So if I look at the Euro US dollar right here, we do see this rally, and we are in a wave 1, 2, 3. So do I expect price to move up a little higher to come back to retest possibly these highs? And how far can the market go? Let's take a look here. 20, nope, actually a little more than that, 36 pips going long. If I come back to the previous low, we're looking at 53 pips. If the market drops back down to this support, we're looking at a drop of another 33. So which means that if it's range bound, even if we do drop, we'll pick up 2 positions, but they will possibly make some profit on the way up again. Let me go down to the 1 hour right here. Oh, I like that turn. I like that U-turn right here. So we're looking at this. We're looking at this at a 618 pullback, chasing after, looks like we might be going after that low right here. But if it goes up just to this area right here, the 127, we should be able to capture some profit. I'm going to go long on Euro US dollar right here. I like that long. I'm going to go buy Euro US dollar right here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what else we got. So I'm going long on Euro US dollar. Let's go take a look at CAD Swiss. And let's see here. Do we have anything on CAD Swiss? Oh, yeah, we're still looking for CAD Swiss. Hang on, wait a minute. CAD Swiss has already bounced off that level of support there, hasn't it? Let's go to the 4-hour. So on CAD Swiss, if you're looking at my chart, you're going, damn, Gary, too much information, man. Yeah, I know. I got a lot of stuff going on here. So let's take a look right here. We got wave 1, 2, 3. Came off the support. We're looking for a 5-wave structure here at the top. It did come off that support there. Let's go down now to the 1-hour. So here's the inside swing. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Came back to that support, bouncing back up. We're looking for price to go possibly up here to the top. Whew. CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss. Now, I cannot say that it's range bound right here. Let's take a look at US oil. US oil. So we did take out that high. We thought it was going to hold up at that and drop back down. So we took out the high. Bears, or these bulls scored a point there. Took out the high. Let's go to the 4-hour right here. Take a look at the 4-hour. So we took out that high. So we should be expecting a correction move in oil. Man. Let me go down to the 1-hour. Okay, so I'm going to expect oil to at least come back down a little further down south. That means I'm going to sell on the CAD Swiss right here. So let's go CAD Swiss sell. So CAD Swiss, I'm going to go ahead and sell CAD Swiss right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and check out, let's see here. Hmm. 14 pips. Takes out that low, going to drop. Okay, so if it goes up, I just realized now we only got about 11 pips before that market hits that bottom right here. This might be one of those trades that I pulled the trigger a little bit too early on this one. I'll tell you why. If I look over here, if it takes out the low, which is possibly the target, it's 16 pips. But hold on a second here. And we did take out the, look at that. We had the wave 4 takeout right here. So we did get into a deeper wave 4. So price did go down a little lower. We had a deeper wave 4 right here. And let me take a look at these swings. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to keep an eye on this. Now, we've got a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is important right here. If the market takes out the low right here, now let me show you the low that we're referring to, is this one right here. If price takes out that low, there's a very good chance that we're heading into a deeper correction move, and that's possible, okay? So the market's creating this this pattern right here that's creating a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, all right? And then it's going to go ahead and create a 5-wave move going south right here. So we may end up getting this to go ahead and confirm that we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to actually take out that low and then possibly go bullish. So I'm banking on that to be the case because this short-term pull, the short-term drop that we're seeing here doesn't even offer me more than 16 pips right here. So if you take a look over here once again, if it does drop down here 16 pips, I need it to drop all the way back down here to give us at least our 20 pip profit, because that's 30 pips down there. And that'll just be the start of the move to the downside, because we're probably going to expect the market to go ahead and move down even further down south as it creates this this 5-wave structure going south right here. So I'm good with that sell right now. If it goes up here, we're clearly going to enter again, which means if it goes up further, we'll probably enter into multiple positions. But I still believe that oil is going to weaken. And so even if the market does rally in the short term, we should be able to, over the next few days, pick up some more positions and actually break even, or not break even, but break into our 20 pip profits. So we'll watch this as well. It is a touch and go, but that's why we use a cost averaging trading approach right here, traders, because of that reason. Touch and go because of that reason. All right, let's go take a look and see what else we got here. Now, we got a trader right here says, can you use subtitles? Use subtitles for, when you say subtitles, what do you mean by that? Not sure. Not sure. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. You mean in the YouTube video? Use captionation, right? Caps. Using caps in the. Are you talking about that? We could look into that. Yeah, why not? Let's take a look at let's take a look at the New Zealand CAD right now. So yeah, we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5 down here. Price goes up. This is a larger swing. Let me kill this inside here. All right. So let me go to the 4-hour. So yeah, we got a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're not at the 1.27 yet down here. So we're slightly between levels. We're actually trading more closer to the resistance than we are at support right here. I'm probably going to put a pin in this one right here. Yeah, I'm going to sit, let's go down to the 15. And on the 15th, right on the 15, let's take a look here. Yep. I'm going to sit on the side on this right here. I do want to look to buy on a New Zealand CAD, but I'm going to look to see if price can go a little lower right here. Take out that low. Or if it can go up to this point right here and then start a new swing. So currently right now, I'm going to stand aside on a New Zealand CAD. Let's go take a look at Aussie CAD. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. I think I'm seeing the same thing. Yeah, I'm seeing the same thing right here. Although I could hedge the Aussie, I can go long on the New Zealand CAD and go short on the Aussie CAD and just do a little bit of a hedge here. Let me see here. So here we go. 1, 2. All right. So on the 1 hour right here, we do see, I can actually move this to a 15-minute time frame. We do see that we had a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, and look how great this is. Look how the market comes back to retest that 1.618 right here, creates that support level that we can buy off, then goes to that 1.27 right here, and we have resistance here. So I'm actually expecting the Aussie CAD to sell off to chase after this low right here, which now is my fourth wave target right here. So how far can we go? Let's take a look and see. So if price is going to sell off, that's about a 41 pip drop. So I'm good to sell on Aussie CAD. Let's go to Aussie CAD right here, Aussie CAD, and let's go ahead and sell Aussie CAD. All right, so it looks like I've only got the New Zealand CAD open up right now that I haven't got a trade in, but everything else I've got trades in on. Let's go back to the New Zealand CAD. And I still don't see a reason, still don't see a good reason to want to do something yet on this. Now, if it goes up a little higher, maybe I'm going to sell up here at the top. And if it goes down below right here, maybe I'll go ahead and buy. And if I look over here on my larger 4-hour, I still have price missing the 1.618 right here. So if I do go long, we could go long all the way up to that high right here. And that is about, let's see here, 115 pips to the upside. Yeah, so I'm going to put a penny in New Zealand CAD, and we'll make a decision on New Zealand. I'll make a decision on New Zealand CAD maybe over the course of today, or maybe even tomorrow. We'll figure it out. But that's where we are right now. Okay, so let's go back to our trades. Let's go ahead and recap. So currently right now we are long on US dollar CAD. We are short on CAD Swiss. We are short on Canadian Aussie Canadian, and we are currently long on Euro US dollar. Those are the 4 trades that we're in right now. We've only got one position in on each one of them. We'll see how this plays out over the course of the morning. And there is news out today. Hang on. Did we just get hit with the news yet? Now, let's take a look right here. And we do have, we got some news coming out. We've got existing home sales coming out at 10 o'clock. We did have unemployment claims. That showed a lower number right here. Now, if it did show, a higher number, if we did see a higher number in the unemployment claims, then that should actually show weakness out in the dollar. So let's go back to, if it's weakness out of the dollar, then I guess, why am I seeing a rally in US dollar CAD and a sell-off on US dollar, on Euro US dollar right here? Because they are actually, this position right here would be a sort of a hedge position. I don't know if you've picked it up, but if you notice, I'm actually buying dollar here, and on the Euro US dollar, I'm actually selling. Now, that's the way it is. So that actually plays as a hedge. So one might take his 20 pips and close out with 20 pip profit. The other one's going to pick up a second position, and then we might see the market then move up into to its target as well. So that is playing out as a sort of a hedge position right here. We'll see how that continues in the course of today. And then if we take a look at the CAD Swiss and the Aussie CAD, look at the two of those. On the CAD Swiss, I'm selling Canadian dollar. But then on the Aussie CAD, I'm actually buying the Canadian dollar. So that's also a slight hedge. One's going to profit, the other one's going to go into another entry point, but eventually it's going to scale out and we're going to make profit on both of them. So just want to go ahead and point that out. If you didn't see that already, it is there. So that's where we're at right now with regards to our trades. Hopefully you guys picked up something here. Picked up a opportunity, learned a little bit more about what we do here in the trading session. Again, let me know how you're doing. Go ahead and share with me in the video, in the comments box, not this one right here, but in the comment box. Go ahead and share how you're doing. I'd like to know how you're doing, how those trades are doing for you. If you're profiting from it, are you seeing success from it, and are you learning? Very important. Traders, I want to go ahead and thank everyone for being here. Smash the like button before you leave. Just smash the like button so we can get this video out to as many people as possible. So with that being said, have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to go ahead and try my golf swing on the golf course this weekend. Hopefully I can get it back again. I totally losing a couple of things that I had before. but I'm losing my swing a little bit, and I'm hoping to be able to capture and get that back again. So with that being said, traders, have a fantastic weekend. We'll see you next time.